No.
When you grab your face.
You say hi?
What do you think? Oh, he just burped.
That's
He
what I
thinks he's
think.
gonna burp.
What do you think with your purple little legs? What?
He wants to hug him. Hey.
I don't know.
Say hello.
But,
You
Logan's hugs aren't very nice though.
No,
he
they're
like
not.
puts death grip
They're
and
not
digs
friendly.
nails in.
Yeah, and then he tries to like get you into his mouth. That's what Ben does.
Yeah,
Ben's
that's what Logan does.
You want to touch his feet? You can touch his feet.
You
Yeah.
want to touch his purple feet?
What do you think of those feet? Don't squeeze.
He's like, I want to put those in my mouth.
Come here. Come here. Ooh, you got his foot a little juicy. Here, get his foot. Gotta get his foot. Oh, so close.
Yeah,
Yeah, you don't need to be involved. Boy, there's a lot of drool going on in
you
this
got some
factory,
drool, my
huh?
man. Let's get you close so you don't have to bend over so much.